gotta get this ready. It's taking too long. Guys, go. What's up with you guys? How long have you been on break for?
Great.
Where's your equipment?
Equipment? What are you talking about?
We came to help with the school, the building.
Exactly, the building. Come on, and we've only just begun. We got a lot of work to do. Just don't stand there. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
There was a staff name. It's nice, huh?
Okay, so like I explained, there's the foundation, but now is when the real building gets underway, the important building, okay?
We're not builders. We sing.
I also sing Shabbos night until the neighbors, of course, tell me to stop. What is with you guys? We're helping to build a school. Come on, yalla.
Yes, we're here to help.
Excellent. Okay, so over there, we have the first grade where we're going to be teaching Aleph Bais.
Aleph
Right,
Bais.
over there.
Und der Rebbe lernt kleine Kinderla, dem Aleph Bais. Okay.
And then we got the third grade, where we're going to be teaching Mishnayos, fifth grade, Gemara, and the eighth grade. Oh, the eighth grade, we teach Hasidus. And that's where we are going to need your expertise in this issue.
Expertise?
Expertise. We are singers, sir.
Okay, weiter with the singing. All right, I heard about the singing. Enough with the singing already. Oh, you're here to help build or not?
We are here to help, yes.
Good. You go there, and you go there.
Mordechai, good luck.
Hatzloche.
Hatzloche.
Hey, what happened to those mops I asked for about an hour ago? Hey, what's going on?
What's going on? Listen, we really want to help. Tanoik Shabbos Rabbim is the most important thing. But we're not builders.
Okay, let me ask you, what's your name?
Mordechai ben David.
Mordechai ben David, and let me guess, next you can tell me that's Avraham Fried.
But I am Avraham Fried.
Yeah, and I'm Shlomo Kaubach. Listen, you guys seem like nice guys. I just need you to do one little thing, and then you can take a break, okay? See that pile over there? I need you to move it over from that side to that side.
Huh?
Shouldn't take that long.
So dear friends, June 12th, we'd like to invite you all, and we hope to see you all, to help us build the Cheder.
Yud Gimel Sivan. Haba Aleinu L'Toiva.
And leave the singing to us.